Welcome back, fellow collectors. Today I have the new Hot Wheels J case. And so we're gonna open this up and see what we've got. Alright, y'all have probably seen some J case unboxings already, but this is my J case, so let's see what we have. So we've got a 20 Jeep Gladiator, 91 GMC Cyclone, and a Honda S2000. Super excited about this. I drive a Jeep, and I'd really like to have a Gladiator, so that's pretty cool. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS, Robo Race Car, it's a recolor, and the 68 Chevy Nova in red camo. That's pretty awesome. Here's the power pistons. This is the treasure hunt for the J case. You can see the symbol that's right there. The McLaren P1, another Jeep Gladiator. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This would be the Super for this case. This is not. This is a regular. 98 Honda Prelude and the Humvee. '57 Plymouth Fury. This guy's awesome. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. That deco on that looks really good. And then the Croc Rod. '57 Plymouth Fury again, 90 Acura NSX, and then the Velocita. The 8 Crate in white, the Jaguar XJ220 in teal, and the Pixel Shaker in blue. Another McLaren P1. Here's the Bone Shaker ID chase. So it's got the RFID chip in the bottom. So that's pretty cool. And the 68 Shelby GT500. Spectre Flame Green is pretty nice. Beetle in red. 2018 Ford Mustang GT in Borla, and the BMW Z4M Motorsport in a BMW livery. There's another BMW Z4, Audi Sport Quattro in red, and the Skate Grom. The High Beam, the Rockin' Santa Sled, and the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Last three for the first half. 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, red version of the Twin Mill Gen E, and then a new gray version of the Batplane. Check out the second half. HW Formula Solar, a High Beam, and a Party Wagon. Another HW Formula Solar, Custom Auto, and the 19 Corvette ZR1 convertible in orange. Porsche Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid Sport Turismo in blue, another bat plane, and the 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT in white. Another Rockin' Santa sled, another Honda Prelude, and the dark blue Volvo 850 Estate. Here's the regular version of the Bone Shaker. So you can see the two versions possible. Another Volvo and a dark blue Nerve Hammer. BMW K1300R, Porsche Panamera Turbo, and the 70s Dodge Power Wagon. Another custom auto, another Corvette ZR1, and another party wagon. Sure everything's going to fall over. Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon, the Momo livery, blue Dodge Power Wagon in Mopar, and then the Erikenstein rod. There's a purple Manga tuner, 64 Nova Wagon gasser, and another Erikenstein rod. Getting close to the end. Another Nova, another Nerve Hammer, and the Total Disposal Recycling Garbage Truck. Another Jaguar XJ220, 2005 Ford Mustang in green, and the Silverado Trail Boss. And our last three is going to be the Dodge Dart, the custom Acura Integra GSR, and the Cloak and Dagger. Awesome! So some definite highlights for me out of this case. Definitely stoked to get that 20 Jeep Gladiator. Really stoked about that. There's a Momo 510 wagon in this case. The 57 Plymouth Fury is a good one. You have the chance to get an ID chase in this case. Got other things like the Centenario Roadster. I can get it past my microphone. Centenario Roadster. There's a Power Wagon in here. There's a Cyclone. Zoom out a little bit. Regular version of the Sesto Elementros, no slouch. Having one of these Honda Civics. The Corvette. The McLaren. The Erikenstein rod, a lot of you guys like that. Honda Prelude is definitely a winner of that. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. A lot of folks like these Manga tuners. I wonder if there's going to be a card variation on this one too. So, plenty of good stuff that came in this case. I got my case through A&J Toys. I went through regular channels. They are not a sponsor of this video whatsoever, but if you guys are looking for cases, I ordered this and he shipped it out really quick. I've been doing business with A&J for a while, so highly recommended. I hope you guys are subscribed. I hope you're watching my other videos where I'm opening every single mainline from 2020, including all of these. We'll see you next time. Subscribe.